All right, who's ready to party with some ginger shots? Woo! Hi, I'm Tracy Lockwood-Beckerman. I'm a registered dietitian in New York City, and it's my job to help you figure out what to eat and why. Today we're talking ginger, from teas to oils to wellness shots. Wellness shots, wellness shots. Ginger is all over the health world, touted for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. But are the benefits backed by science? Let's find out if ginger can cure what ails you in today's episode of You vs. Food. Ginger is an underground plant stem, not root. It is the same family as turmeric and cardamom. The edible portion of the ginger plant is called the rhizome. Ginger has been used as a traditional remedy for thousands of years to help with digestion, nausea, and help fight flus and colds. It's been known for its healing and medicinal properties for over 5,000 years. Anti-inflammatory. Studies have shown ginger to be effective in decreasing inflammation, swelling, and pain thanks to a powerful compound called gingerol. No, not ginger ale, gingerol. Gingerol is a bioactive compound in ginger which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Anti-inflammatory. Anti-nausea. According to many studies, ginger is highly effective against nausea. It's known to have a Carminative Effect, which means it can help to prevent the buildup of gas in the intestines. It goes like this first, it's tense, and then it goes like this. Although more research is required, several studies have demonstrated an association between increased ginger consumption and reduced incidence of seasickness, as well as reduced nausea in pregnant women. Nice. Ginger ale doesn't contain much ginger, so the ginger in the ginger ale probably isn't the thing that's gonna help with your bellyache. There's way more sugar in ginger ale than there is ginger. Ginger ale is a derivative of ginger beer, which was originally used to treat nausea and vomiting. The pickled ginger you see at Japanese restaurants is supposed to be a palate cleanser between sushi rolls. It's called Gari, and it's rumored to help prevent food poisoning from raw fish. But there's not science to back up that claim. Sorry. Ginger can help with bad breath. 6-gingerol, which enhances gastrointestinal transport mechanisms, also breaks down unpleasant odors by enabling a specific enzyme in saliva. Ginger can be used as a meat tenderizer. It contains an enzyme called protease, which is responsible for the breakdown of protein. Therefore, ginger can be used to slowly break down the protein fibers and possibly the connective tissue in meat, resulting in a tender final product. To peel ginger, scrape the root with the backside of a spoon. It gets the skin off without wasting too much of that rhizome. Ginger tea. Boil water, add freshly grated ginger, strain, and enjoy. Ginger oil. You can either rub ginger oil on your body to help relieve tension or use ginger oil in your bath for a relaxing experience. You can also use ginger oil for cooking. Just saute veggies or rice in the amazing oil. Fresh ginger. You can use it as a garnish on top of sweet or savory dishes to add an extra kick to your food. Or put fresh sliced ginger in your water to infuse. Ginger's not just a zesty, tangy food additive. It's got some solid science to back up the anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea front. Next time you're feeling inflamed or just plain icky, it may be worth a shot to put ginger on the case. See you next time for another episode of You vs. Food. All right, you don't have to be so gingerly. Just press the button to subscribe, but give it a good press, not so gingerly. Give it a good one, right here. Oh, ginger, snap!